Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we'll talk about how to get on free camera mode on Roblox. So in order to know how to go to the free cam mode in Roblox, firstly we will get into any game. So I'll just click on this game and click on the play button. Now let the game load properly. So now the game has loaded and we are in the game. So in order to go to the free cam mode, firstly we have to navigate to our keyboard. Then from the keyboard we will press Shift plus P at a time. So now you can see that I'm in the free cam mode. From here I can take photos, videos, whatever I prefer. In order to turn off the free cam mode, we will just press Shift plus P again. And now we are in back. So that's how we can go to the free cam mode in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.